And joining me direct and exclusive on the News Hour tonight is former Maharashtra Chief Minister Prithviraj Cahav. Good evening, Mr. Cahav. I just want to ask you, why is the Congress party so outraged over the notification of the disqualification? Because the disqualification was a foregone conclusion after the pronouncement of the Surat court judgment yesterday.
Yeah, absolutely. When we heard the Surat court decision that Mr. Rahul Gandhi has been convicted and sentenced for 2 years, it was clear that the period of 2 years was specifically meant. This is the highest amount of sentence that you can under the defamation law. So the 2 year was a giveaway, and it was very clear that government was planning something bigger. Of course, that they will act with such alacrity was not expected, but I at least expected that this 2 years was not something natural or something which it has a meaning, and that meaning was they wanted to disqualify Mr. Rahul Gandhi under Representation of People's Act and under the Article 102 of Constitution. This has happened. We expected that they will take some time. They'll perhaps refer to the President of India, which is mandatory, but that didn't happen. And we have the notification of Lok Sabha Secretary that he's disqualified. There are many, many loopholes in this case. Particular one, the complainant who complained to the Surat Magistrate Court himself applied for a stay in his own complaint. And High Court obliged him by giving him a stay in his own complaint. Now, whenever the suitable environment was there and complainant felt that he can get a better decision out of the magistrate's court, he again moved the High Court and said, look, I want to speed up the trial. And within a matter, after sleeping on the matter for 11 months, he goes to High Court and asks High Court to restart the trial. And within a matter of a month, the High Court, the magistrate's court gives a decision. Now, the dates are very critical. Number one, Rahul Gandhi's Bharat Jodo Yatra, tremendous success, the mass mobilization support that he got was number one.
No, before you go to the Bharat Jodo Yatra, Mr. Cahav, before you go to the Bharat Jodo Yatra, my question to you is, are you saying, no, 1 minute, are you saying, are you saying that the courts were influenced?
Hindenburg reports on 23rd January, and Rahul Gandhi asked questions about Adani's and Modi's links, and Mr. Modi doesn't want to answer. Mr. Rahul Gandhi is not allowed to speak in Parliament. The demand for JP was not accepted. So these are not just mere coincidences. Moment Adani Hindenburg link is established, Adani Modi link is established, the court again restarts the matter. A magistrate is changed, and 2 year, I think this is the highest sentence under defamation law, and I don't think any person in India has ever been convicted for and sentenced for 2 years under an election speech. I think this is the largest, longest sentence that anybody has under the defamation law. This is all pre-planned.
All right. So my question to you is, Mr. Cahvan.
And I think we have this.
My question to you is, you are saying that the courts were either pressurized or they were programmed in such a way to give the maximum sentence. Magistrates were changed, and you also say that the High Court obliged the petitioner. So you're not only questioning the Surat court, you're also questioning the Gujarat High Court. Do I understand you correctly, Mr. Cahvan?
No, I'm only giving the dates. I am only giving you the facts. You connect the points. You connect the dots. I'm only giving the dates. When the Hindenburg report came, when Rahul Gandhi raised the matter in Parliament, when Mr. Modi refused to discuss this matter in Parliament, and the court moves at a particular speed. You just connect the dots.